Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Zulhakim bin Trini. I'm a student of Diploma in Electrical Installation Engineering Technology Semester 1. Today, I will be presenting the important refining in oil and gas industry. First of all, let me start by introduce about refining. Refining is a key part of the downstream sector in the oil and gas industry. It involves processing crude oil into usable products such as gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, lubricant, and petrochemical feedstock. Only that introduction about refining in oil and gas. Let me, let me move to the importance of refining in oil and gas industry. The first important refining in oil and gas is a production of essential fuel. Oil refining is essential for converting crude oil into useful fuel. The main fuel produced include gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Essential fuel is crucial for transportation like power vehicles, airplanes, and ships. Not only that, not only that, essential fuels support energy-less beyond transport by fuel oil in use in power plants to produce electricity. Liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) is used for cooking and heating in homes and industries. Overall important is ensure a stable energy supply and support household, business and industry worldwide. Other than that, the another importance of refining is economic growth and energy security. Oil refining boosts economic development by creating job opportunities. Second is generating government revenue, and third, reducing dependence on imported fuel. Also, the energy security is countries with strong refining capacity can process their own crude oil and help stabilize local fuel price, also reduce reliance on foreign energy sources. The economic impact is availability of refining product drives industrial growth, also creates more employment opportunities and increase national income through petroleum export. The government benefit is collect tax revenue from refining activities and use revenue to fund infrastructure and public service. Moreover, let me move to the effect of refining oil and gas. Alright, let me start by the positive effect. The first positive effect is the product creation, in which where is converts crude oil into valuable product is power transportation, industry and homes. The second positive effect is technological advancement, which is innovation in chemical engineering, energy efficiency, and emission reduction technologies. Right. The negative effect is environment impact, which is can happen with air pollution and water contamination from effluents and accidental spill. The last effect is the health, which is can have, which is the workers and nearby communities may face exposure to toxic substance. Alright, this is the example of palm oil refining process. Right. The first process is CPO is transported from the mills to our refineries by truck or ship. The next process is we pump the seed oil from the truck and ships using pipelines into storage tank at the refinery. The next process is truth becoming and deacidification process to remove gums and FFA in seed oil to get the refined palm oil. The next process is truth decolorization process to remove pigment in CPO to get refined bleach palm oil. Like, the last process is truth deodorization process to remove odors in CPO to get refined bleach deodorized palm oil. This is the example the RBD palm oil, which is the last process. Lastly, let me end my presentation by conclusion. Alright, my conclusion is oil refining is a fundamental industry that ensures a steady supply of fuel, support economic growth, and provides raw materials for diverse industries. It enables global mobility, enhances energy security, and sustains manufacturing and consumer needs. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention for my presentation.